welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm gonna welcome you here from Charleston. We just kind of landed. We just got to the house. Flight was good. We're a little tired, but it's all right. Got up at 3:45, hopped on the flight. Flight was good though. So we're here. We're going downtown. We're gonna explore a little bit. We're gonna see what's down there. Grab some good food, hopefully some good drinks, and we're going from there. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and let's get it. And so Megan and I, it's holding the box.
Hi.
We're going.
We got mail.
Yeah, we got Kayla's mail.
But we couldn't figure it out.
Yeah, so we're kind of just walking around at the moment and just sightseeing. And I'm gonna see you guys later when we go out downtown. See ya. All right, guys, so we are going downtown right now, but we had to stop. There's something I want you guys to see. I'm about to crocodile hunt over here. Right there. Holy shit, that thing's coming. That thing's coming for us now. It saw me point. I don't know about that.
They're not that fast.
Yeah, I didn't think they were that fast, but they might be coming at me now. I don't know. Oh, there it is. It's looking at us. The one good thing right now is I'm faster than Megan, so if anything, it's gonna get.
Not. No, you're not.
There it is.
Oh,
What's up, guys? So today we're kind of been just kind of hanging low, walking around the neighborhood, seeing how it all is, just kind of getting used to this area and everything. It's been good. Neighborhood looks nice. And kind of just been chilling locally. So right now we're gonna go out a little bit. We need to get some drinks in us and just go hang out. So we're meeting up with a couple people. We're going down to the brewery that's right down the street. Looked great online, so we're about to see if it lives up to the expectations. But I'm gonna see you guys there. So. What's going on, guys? So we made it to the brewery. It's pretty good right now. You know, we're on our beers right now. We got Rob. Rob suggested to come here, so local Charleston.
Yeah.
So
we in Chucktown. We got the Vlog and Molly's playing behind us.
We're going up. Look at this place. We'll give it a little look in here. We're about to drink these beers, so we finished the drinks. They were good, right?
Delicious beers.
We finished them quick, as you can tell. So we're just kind of hanging out. We're about to have maybe a couple more drinks, but they're playing. We got the music playing over here. We got everything good. Place is nice. So I'm gonna take you guys a little bit longer for I can't even speak. I guess I've been drinking too much. I'm gonna take you guys a little bit longer for our night. All right, guys, so we finished up at the brewery and we're just kind of hanging out at the moment. We're about to go grab some food, but I have something special for you guys. Not this beer, even cuter. Even cuter. Hello, come here. Oh. I got two of them. What's going on, guys? So we're back. We're downtown at the moment. We're kind of just walking around, sightseeing, seeing what is around, and we're kind of having a good time at the moment. So we're out by the water. So this is more like the downtown area, but we're kind of just walking around, seeing this whole water, and I'm trying to get them on here. There was dolphins. Oh, right there. You see that little dolphin? We're gonna go there real quick. we're downtown right now. We're just kind of hanging out, sightseeing a little bit, and we made it to the famous Rainbow Row. So I'm gonna show you guys that. All these nice little Alright, so we found a house that we were looking for. The Edmonston, I don't even know how to say it, Edmonston Ashton House. Any of my Outer Banks friends, family that watch that, this is the house right there. You know, just living the Outer Banks lifestyle in Charleston. Makes total sense, but you know what it is. Alright, so we made it to downtown. It's so windy. I hope you guys can hear me, and this is going crazy. So this is like one of their Capitol buildings now, but there used to be keep people in cages and dungeons and whatnot, and it all was right here. Used to be in there through that, the dungeon. I'm gonna put one of them in the dungeon. This one. All right, so we made it to another brewery. We're still in like downtown Charleston area, Palmetto Brewing. So we're having a good one right now. What do you think about this place so far?
I like it.
About you, it's your first time, right?
Yeah.
Your first time. Kim, what we thinking?
DG.
We all like it. I guess they have good beer. So cheers. What's going on? So we made it to the other brewery now. We're at Revelry. I'm not exactly sure what it's called. Not on here either. Oh yeah, right there. Revelry. So we're here. Beer's great. I'm gonna give you guys a little show around what we're doing. They're chilling, drinking. I think we're gonna hit one more, so I'm gonna see you guys at the next one. What's up, guys? So we went to the other brewery that's actually right by the house, so we're actually really lucky. This is like a minute and a half down the street, and probably the best beers that we've had. So as you just saw, Tide Brewing Company, and they have a bunch of really good beers. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of their place. Phenomenal beers. This is their Rob, what year is this?
We got the 6-year anniversary of Low Tide being here.
So 6-year anniversary of Low Tide. This is what it is, and phenomenal, really good. And they have another crazy one, which is, I feel like I've never heard of it before, so it's really good. We got the Blue Quench, which is the Blue Quench actually is a seltzer mixed with the blue Gatorade, flavoring, powdering. So crazy good. Literally tastes like blue Gatorade, and it's 5% alcohol. So, as you can imagine, it's great. But we're having a good time, so I'm gonna enjoy myself, and I'm gonna see you guys soon. To be 100% honest with you guys right now, I don't even know what game we're playing. We're playing this fucking game. Oh shit. Sorry, I said I wasn't gonna curse this vlog. All right, you guys have to subscribe and like this video, and next one, I promise I won't curse anything. So, until then, still continue watching. But I still have no idea what game we were playing. We're playing this game again, and apparently now I have to say the word that we're playing and doing. So, I don't know. It's a weird ass game, but oh come on, I said. Shh. No, I didn't.
You did. What did he ask?
No. So we're still playing this game, and I think I have a good word, and we're gonna win because we won the first time. Boy, we won.
Like we're from a different star, flying over streets and the broken hearts. But they can't even touch us. We found a different beat. Paradise is waiting, and we bought the lead.
What is going on, guys? I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have some time, I would highly suggest going down to Charleston, going to visit. It was a lot of fun, a lot of things to do, a lot of things that weren't even captured. Maybe I'll come back and I'll do another one. But until then, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, go tell your friends, go tell your family, and make your way down to Charleston. So until then, thanks for watching. Peace.